Hi everyone, here we've got the Redmi 9T and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on the display. Now let's scroll down again and find Control Center and Notification shade. It should be on the system settings. Let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down. At the very bottom we've got the battery indicator, so let's tap. And here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got the very first one applied. You can say it because this option is marked. What's more, on the status bar we've got only the battery icon, but we can choose also this option with the percentage inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. So I will pick, for example, next to the battery icon, just tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So from now on we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery right next to the battery icon. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Redmi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.